1, 2, 3. Have you taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we will start today our class, Who Am I? So that is about
Bili ko ba na? Kaya may
this is all about who am I?
bili lang bili.
Self-concept and nature of self. So before we will proceed to the discussion of the content of chapter 2, I would like you, we will have a graded recitation. And I would like you to tell me who are you? Meaning, you are going to describe yourself, your name, your age, your address, the school where you graduated, then your parents, the work of your parents, your siblings or your brothers and sisters, how many are you in the family, and then your dreams and aspirations in life. What are your dreams and aspirations? Take note aspiration. What are you trying to aspire for in life? Okay. So that will be our graded recitation starting today. So we will have it in alphabetical order. So we will start with Abahito Riniel. So as I call your name, you open your camera and open your microphone. And the rest, you keep quiet. Do not open your microphone. Kay balaanon man na nga naka-open ang kung pila ka microphone ang open, kay naga-echo siya. Did you get me? So we will start with Abahito. So you wait for your turn. Take note, this is a graded recitation.
I'm 10 years old. I'm living in Barangay Pantalan, Carlos, Iloilo. My mother's name is Ria de Abahito and my father's name is Romel de Abahito. I am the only child of Mrs. and Mr. Abahito. And my inspiration is my family, ma'am. And my dream course is I want to be a electrician, ma'am.
Okay? Why did you choose piso?
Wait. For me, ma'am, because this is the best schools that I enrolled in. This is the school that I have that ano nga? Ready ako. Ano pala, ma'am? Kurso, ma'am?
My microphone mo open other than Abahito. You put off your microphone. Continue, Abahito.
Why mo gitsunod? Nakasunod kasi yan.
Tapos na, ma'am?
Ngabay.
Tapos na.
Amo lang ko imo describe sa imo kaugalingon. What are your likes, your dislikes? What are your hobbies? Take note, you are telling me who am I? Who are you?
My hobby, ma'am, is playing basketball, ma'am. Nabuulig man ko sa kay Papa, kay Mama, ma'am, obra. Kaya Gaubot na kong visa sa lawod, ma'am. Sakit papa.
What else?
Kag gusto ko gid makatapos sa eskwela, ma'am, kay ako lang ila na salagan bala, ma'am, kay isa lang ko kabata nila. Kag gusto ko gid mag-electrician someday, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sino si Iskanyo? Wala man di Iskanyo. Next. Abistano.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Daniel Abistano. I live in Barangay Canoan, Nililo. I am 18 years old. My mother's name is Emilia Abistano. My father's name is Margarito Abistano. My hobby is taekwondo, ma'am. I chose this course, ma'am, because I want to explore my knowledge about electricity because I want to become a master electrician someday. Okay na, ma'am.
What else? What else could you tell us about yourself?
Mahilig ko mag-on,
Nang-
mag-apigay, na may kahoy, nagatindog, at tulog tayo.
Ay, mga kaibigan ko na, ma'am.
Paano wala na yun? Ipon ko lang.
Ano tanong?
Ano?
Online.
Doon na lang.
What is it? Ano yung siling mo?
Ano, ma'am?
What did you tell me about a while ago? Ano yung siling mo?
Ano yung sa'yo? Ano yun? Person niya maulo yun, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. And how will you overcome your shyness?
Ano?
Mamate, ano? How will you overcome your shyness? Why did you choose Niso?
Kaya mo niyang pinakamalapit niya eskwelahan sa amin, ma'am. Kag para sa akin, ma'am, ito ang namin nga hours, ma'am.
What else? Ano pa?
Kaya gusto ko maging master electrician someday, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Amado.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. I am Daniela P. Amado, 18 years old. I currently live in Barangay Tapuin, Estancia, Iloilo. My hobbies is playing online games. Why I choose this course, ma'am? I'm financial, I want to become an electrician someday, ma'am.
You tell us about your family.
Ning why I choose ni, so ma'am, kay financial problem, ma'am. Kag malapit sa among balay, ma'am.
You tell us about your family.
My father's name, Ernesto Amado, ma'am. I'm the only child.
Kilala ko itong amato. Lupay na ako amato.
How about your mother?
Pangalan amato.
My brother's name is Jonald Amado, ma'am.
Tisiling mo only child ka, may upod ka man gali.
Ay, second child galit, ma'am.
How about your mother?
Jezabel Amado, ma'am.
Ay, Daniela, you tell us everything, hindi pag-isa-isa ka.
Ulitin ko lang, ma'am. And good morning, ma'am. I am Daniela B. Amado, 18 years old. I currently live in Barangay Tacloyan, Estancia, Iloilo. My hobbies is playing online games. My father's name is Ernesto Amado. We're the two child, ma'am. My father's name is Jonaldo Amado. My mother's name Isabel Amado. Why I choose Niso, ma'am, is a financial problem man, ma'am. Malapit man sa amon balay.
What is the work of your parents?
Fishing. My father works, ma'am, in fishing man, ma'am.
Fishing man. Kasi kabataan ko na itong Amado na pangalan.
How about your mother?
Housekeeping, ma'am.
Hmm.
That's all lang.
Okay. Do you share household chores at home?
Ito lang, ma'am, hindi ko mabata.
What are your responsibilities at home?
My responsibility at home, ma'am, ning gapulig man ko, ma'am, kay mama kung kisa, ma'am. Kung kisa akong sapato, ma'am, kaupos ko kay papa sa fishing port, ma'am, gapulig man, ma'am.
Okay.
Ito lang, ma'am.
Next.
Thank you.
Bakala.
Lumaka ko na. Kayo na ba tayo? Araw.
Morning, ma'am. My name is Martin G. Bacala Jr. from Tacuyan, Estancia, Iloilo.
I could not see you. Where are you?
Sa background na
You open your mouth now.
Sorry. Sorry, ma'am.
You take off your hat.
araw.
Morning, ma'am. My name is Martin G. Bacala Jr. from Tacuyan, Estancia, Iloilo. 19 years old. My father's name, Martin Tagra Bacala. And my mother's name, Elizabeth Fanny Sigera. I chose Miso because now, first of all, free tuition and nung malapit na malamang tag daw diriga mo brako ni ati ma'am. Gatudlo man siya ma'am.
Sino yung tiya?
Maria ko ni Pardo ma'am.
Okay.
And my hobby is playing online games. And I chose this course because I want to be a master electrician. Okay na ma'am.
That's it. How do you see yourself 10 years from now? How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I describe myself as I know how to respect and I can manage my attitude.
Did you understand what I'm asking? How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Sorry ma'am, no to tayo ma'am. Sorry. Though I think ma'am, though successful ma'am. Kay yes kila mo kumayo.
Daw successful, hindi ka sigurado mag-successful ka?
Successful ko ma'am.
How will you do it?
Ang matuon mayo ma'am kag daw seryoso ng pag-eskwela kay may ginapa-eskwela lang ko daan ma'am. Kay gusto ko man sila ng bailuan sa ila kayo sa ako.
Okay. Next. Balayon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Balayon, you put on your camera and your microphone.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Benji Balayan, ma'am. I'm 17. I live in Barangay Bagacan, San Luis, Iloilo. I chose this course because I want to know how important electricity to our society, ma'am. And I chose this school because, ma'am, I think this is the best. Oh, ma'am, ma'am. Tapos, I have two sisters, ma'am, and I am the only boy of three siblings. Tapos, my father's name is Benji Balayan, ma'am. And my mother's name is Renalyn Balayan. My hobbies is watching movies and playing online games. And I like the ma'am, I like eating food. I don't like ma'am,
What else?
wala na, ma'am.
Tamo lang na? Wala na? How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
Ma'am,
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
from now, ma'am,
10 years from now, how do you see yourself?
I see ma'am as a peaceful person, ma'am. A man na naman gasakay na ma'am, seaman na ba ma'am, sa cruise ship. Mga time, ma'am.
Kasakay?
Cruise ship, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, maintenance sa barko, ma'am, electricity, yung mga makina, may makasala ba lang mga sa kurente, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ano sa Balayan? Hindi ko sure.
Batilyo.
Lobat ka? Ayan po. Hindi ka Glenn. Hindi ka pwede
Morning,
na
ma'am. My name is Letriniel Bantilio.
Sa
18
level,
years
sa
old.
Betes.
I graduated in Granada National High School from Barangay Ascamagar, Iloilo. My mother's name is Loida Bantilio. My father's name is Rio Bantilio. Lima kami magutod, ma'am. Ako ang pang-tatlo. Tapos, gusto ko maging electrician someday, ma'am.
First child. Sa level.
Sa I choose ni so, ma'am, kay lapit lang ni Samon. Ka free tuition. And
Paano yun? Letter system. Dua.
that's all.
You tell us more. You tell us your family background. You tell us more.
Ang trabaho ni Papa, ma'am, palawod lang. Tapos si Mama housewife. Isa gabulig mo ako kay Papa sa palawod. Tapos ako nabi, ma'am, trading and playing online games.
imagine kung paano ka mo nagabulig sa balay kung ang inyo hobby is online games. Buot silingon, nagsigil lang ka makahinampang.
Hindi man mama. May time man ang tagampang sa online games kaysa sa house chores.
Mhm. What household chores did you perform at home?
Gas alok pa. Kagisa galuto sudan.
Kaisa, buot silingon, hindi man pirmi kung saan ulang.
Ay kisa ma'am, gopot ko sa loob mo. Hindi mo ko kabra sa balay.
Okay, next.
Thank you ma'am.
Barido.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Salvador Barredo. I live in Barangay Paon, Estancia, Iloilo. I am 18 years old. My mother's name is Maria Gima Barredo, and my father's name is Renante Barredo. And my hobbies is playing basketball and online games. 10 years from now, I see myself because successful electrician and I chose this NISO College University because it's free tuition kag lapit sa amon balay, ma'am.
Okay, how do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I see myself 10 years successful electrician, ma'am. Sa barko, ma'am.
Dito na mag-break. Ang Baltimores, kaya mo nakapos lang. Buwan.
How will you do
Ano,
it?
ma'am?
How will you do it?
I will because I have a inspiration, ma'am, because we are poor, ma'am, kay gusto ko gid makaraw sa kahirapan, ma'am. Naporsigido gid ko makatapos.
Okay, next. Next is Barrieta. Barrieta, this is your first attendance in the class.
I'm Mr. Barrieta Jr., 20 years old from Lantangan, Carles, Iloilo. My father's name is Eliser Barrieta Sr. and my mother's name is name Romel Barrieta. Romel Barrieta. I chose to I chose to NISO, ma'am, kay financial problem, ma'am. Malapit sa amin, ma'am. Amo naging ko ako nga course ng electrical, ma'am, kay gusto ko makatapos, ma'am, kag gusto ko makapangitan sa mayo nga trabaho, ma'am.
Tablang mong to. Tablang mong to.
Okay,
Wala na, ma'am.
what else?
Responsibility. Kusinero, bagero. Oh. Tulog ka sa balay.
So, ano, my habits is ano, ma'am, ng the virtual DJ, ma'am. Yeah, pero pa ko ma'am sa mga sounds ma'am.
Okay, how do you see yourself 10 years from now? How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I want to be a professional DJ ma'am.
Hmm? Professional ano?
I want professional electrical. I want to someday ma'am.
Ano gani? Wala ko sa may naintindihan.
I want to be electrician someday ma'am.
Okay, next. O, hindi ka na magsagi ka accent kag palit ha. Next. Bufil Samuel. You put on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jan Bopil. I'm from Barangay Bayas, Estancia Iloilo. Graduated in Bayas National High School. And my father's name is Sanay Bopil. My mother's name is Evelyn M. Bopil. And I have two older sisters, Shinan Bopil and Chilay Bopil. My hobby is playing basketball, and then drawing. And I chose this course, ma'am, because I want to become a professional electrician someday. And
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
10 years from now, I see myself a successful man.
In what way?
Eskwela lang mayo, mami. Nagtaon mayo, then para baylo ako man sakripisyo sa akong pamilya.
That remains to be seen. Tanawag maging tanan maging hambal nga eskwela mayo magpilit anay kita. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, you prepare for the test sa chapter 2 o chapter 3 ha.
Kasi alas siguro.
Next we have Bourbon Christian.
Ma'am, my name is Christian Bourbon. I'm from Kawayan, Cardinal. I'm graduated in Civil Garden National High School. I'm 18 years old. My mother's name is Aliza Bourbon. My father's name is Robel Bourbon. My mother work is housewife. My father is fisherman. I am the oldest in two of the siblings. And my hobbies is basketball, badminton, and online games. I help my mother in the house chores and like laundry and cooking. I chose this course because the experience I want the experience to be an electrician and to help my my family. One day.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I see myself in 10 years right now to be a successful man.
Successful? How did you say it? Why? How successful is you are in 10 years from now? What will you do to achieve that?
I study hard and make my family proud, and I stand my own business to provide my finances, ma'am. That's it.
Okay. Next, we have Borgonia.
Yes, ma'am.
Borgonia.
Morning, ma'am. My name is Janex Bergonya. I'm the Barangay Gogo Estancia Iloilo. I'm 19 years old. My father's name is Rex Bergonya. My mother's name is Daisy Bergonya. My hobbies are playing volleyball and playing basket. And I choose this course. Maging electrician balang araw, ma'am.
Else? Ano pa?
Na makabulit sa ginikanan ko sa makabulit ko sa ginikanan sa sunod, ma'am, na makagraduate ko.
Atau 28, 29.
Okay, so today, that's all because I still have my class. We will continue this meeting.
Idol!
Okay?
Papuli ko.
My class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Papuli ko yan sa balay yan. Papuli ko sa balay bus. Balik. Wala na si Mama kanina. Wala sa? Dala, nakarigat. Wala si Ma'am. Okay na. MS1. MS1. Ano ta?